Good morning, everyone. My name is Gabriel Enriquez, and I'm going to present you 7 objects that describe myself. And the first one is a plane ticket. I mean, with plane ticket, like traveling per se, because I think that is a really good way of getting along with the world and with other people. And also, you can realize how small is your country, even if you live in a big one. You can see how small it is compared to the other parts of the world. The second object is a tattoo. I really love tattoos. Actually, this is one of that I just did like a couple months ago. Tattoos are the way for me to express what I have in my mind and to put it on the skin. Also, I love the way that they last forever. And yep, the third thing is soccer ball. This has been my favorite sport since I was a child. Mm, I have practiced it for my entire life. And actually, I'm on a internship tournament right now in the university, so that's part of me. The other thing is a poncho. As you know, they are made here in Otavalo, and you can find it in other parts of Ecuador. Um, this is really special to me because it remembers to my grandfather that passed away like 5 years ago. It's something really special, and I wear it all the time. I also have it with me right now. Um, the next thing is food per se, but my favorite one is seafood. I really love whatever comes from the sea, and I don't know. I think it's part of me also because I grew on the coast on Manabi, so I have really good memories. These bring me really good memories from my childhood. The next thing is tequila. Um, I am not used to drink that much, but tequila is a really tasty liquor for me. Also, it is really versatile at the time of mixing with other fruits and other liquors. You can do really good daiquiris with it, and I really like that kind of thing of bartender. So I love tequila in that sense. The last thing is music. Um, I think that music is the way of express ourselves, not ourselves, but someone else's expresses with the lyrics of what we feel at certain moments, like sad, or when you're really happy, or when you feel really excited of something. You listen to really movement music. So I think that music is part of my life. I just don't listen to music. I listen to the lyrics, what they say. I don't care if it has a bad rhythm. It has a really good lyric is enough for me. So this is a screenshot of one of my playlists. Well, my whole playlist. And yeah, that's it. That's something about me. And yep, thank you.